This is Nick. He's the contractor. Yeah, it's going to be a really cool project. Yeah. Very cool.
You want to walk and see what's done now?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see where we're at.
Arn has a laundry list of questions for you guys. So we bought this house as it sits, as you'll see today. We're making some design changes, wall changes, adding square footage, implementing dream home design
Cabinetry, yeah, custom cabinetry
and design.
I don't care either way. We thought it was a cool idea because when you walk in, you see this, and there's not a lot of pretty in there.
Yeah, I like it.
So we'd have to have that custom done, and then this is a stone shelf, and then we could do the niche or not do the niche if we have this shelf. And then the plumbing.
Do the niche in case.
We could do
in case
both.
we don't do the
mirror.
What is this here?
That's just the chandelier.
No, that's a
window.
Oh, the mirror.
That's a
It's just a
mirror.
custom mirror.
Okay.
It's hanging from the ceiling.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
So-
just it's one of those things that we don't have to do.
Yeah,
but
it's
it
a
was
thought.
just interesting.
It's different.
There's no window there, so,
Let me see there.
or are we putting a
I
window
think
in?
there is
No,
a
we're
window.
adding-
There's
we're
a window.
adding glass
Yeah,
there.
sorry.
This wall, I thought on the plans it came out further. It's going to be stoned, so the outside will be all stone as well as this little return here. But I thought it came out further, but that's okay. That's why we're here.
That's going to be in here, and this is going to be the sitting room.
Yeah.
Okay. And that means instead of,
So this
there was
is where
talk
we-
about one of those giant windows over here looking at the pool, instead it's going to be the two windows on the two
Got it.
sides.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Is he redrawn? Anybody redrawing that so I have measurements for a
I
bed wall?
have sent a request back to John Stevenson of Elevation Glass, asking him for the dimensions, because he just mentioned that there were going to be windows there. He didn't say the size of them, so I want that. And the idea is the current door that's on the far side here, that's a pivot glass door, it'll move over here, and that'll be how you have access to the pool area.
Right, and we keep the slider, and you're doing
This is- At some point, we're going to talk about AC condenser placements and where they are, partially for noise and partially for sight, and cover them up. We don't want to go too far this way on the far side of that window, because then you'd be able to see it from the coffee area here.
Okay, yeah.
So we're planning to keep it right there, which is in between the utility room and behind the bathroom right there.
Yeah.
That's what that's showing
Okay.
for an idea. But this means that you can go out this way, but you cannot have access to the pool from here.
Right. So everything in this middle area, we agreed was 10 foot, the shower's 9 foot, and the wash.
Everything's 9 foot in here except for this room, you said.
Right, but above the vanities, we think we need a 1 foot soffit, and then it will match the 9 foot height of the shower.
So you want to soffit down for the cabinetry.
Yes. That was, when I was looking at the plan, I wasn't sure what you'd want to do because the walls weren't even there. And also when we're doing the makeup, that's right across, the
Yeah, right
makeup
there.
vanity, that too, I feel like we need a wall for that. This whole primary is going to be tiled pretty much anyway, so that might be okay. Have an idea for what this might look at. I was looking at the beams though,
That
and
works.
they still go this far, great. So I have some,
All of this.
I wish I could show you on my computer 3D, but I did snap some pictures and I brought them for this area.